Guys, where are we going?
Universal Studios!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
What ride are you excited about, Jane?
Wait, Mom, where's my Jurassic Park? The Harry Potter.
Okay.
I like the Harry Potter too. Mom?
I'm not really excited about going on any rides. My stomach will turn, so I'll say the studio tour. There's Grace. That's not what I meant. Should have brought your glasses, Jane. Or your pictures are like that.
I wanna go now.
Okay, let's go.
Doors are slowly closing behind you. Just make sure you
Oh, shoot! This one. Shoot it, Mia, shoot it! Turn! Yes, I did.
We lost.
You lost? Why?
No, we really sticking to it. We were authorized until now to trigger
My gun's jammed. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit.
Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base.
Thumbs up.
You can ride with evac anytime.
Yeah, that's literally the
You like it?
Yes!
Let me see.
The best!
Mia, how did you like it?
How goes the day? Hope you're enjoying our time together. And prosper.
You have me to love you.
Whoever follows the rules, you all will be perfectly safe. Don't worry. Do a little trust exercise. Are you ready? All right, where are you all from? Texas. All right, my family from Texas. This is what I'm going to have you all do. Let's have everyone stand right here. Go
Jace, how was it? How was it, Jace? You guys got wet.
Yes, I got wet. I am
You know how I knew it was you guys? Mia screamed. I can hear it from going down that friggin' tunnel. Mia! She was like, I was like, that is Mia. Are you okay?
Grab something from our concession stand, take it on board with you. You are more than welcome to do so.
Are you excited about this, Brad?
But I need to let you know that all our churros and fountain drinks.
Oh, King Kong, yeah. Right side to make a little landing room for everybody else and hop on with you guys.
The very front, Brad.
You're an amazing tour guide. She's super cool. She's super funny. In fact, it's me.
Yeah.
The veil of secrecy on some of Hollywood's hottest film locations.
Oh, that's right.
Everybody here has a pair of 3D glasses. If you do not have a pair of 3D glasses, please raise your hand up high. Keep it up there. And one of our studio tour ambassadors will get a pair over to you immediately. Our co-host for the afternoon. You know him as the host of The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon. Redhead Lucille Ball. Back in those days, actors were known as contract players, which meant they would only film Universal.
Oh, I know this one.
This is this little sneak peek at some of the love that's going on.
Skull Island, JC.
In the year 2015, so I don't know what's going on. We also have the Flintstones foot-powered vehicles. There really are holes in the bottom for the actors' feet to go, and the cars themselves are being pulled with. You know the words. Original lyrics by John Williams.
Yep.
Now I mentioned that big old, mobile lab dangled from a cliff, but I wanted to let you know, again, it was a parking structure. I want to show you the scene in which it dangled from. In fact, it's the very same parking structure that's right next to Soundstage 14 that we saw at the beginning of the tour. That is just a sound effect, that thunder you're hearing. It's coming from speakers right above us. The lightning that you're seeing is coming from a strobe light flashing on and off. Now, this is not a rainstorm yet because we don't have any rain, so let's turn the rain on. Now, that's a sprinkler system shooting water up into the air and it falls down naturally like real rain. The combination of all of these effects together look pretty realistic, don't they? Yeah. But what's really cool is if I hit this button right here, these are all going to turn off at the same time. So get ready. And off. Oh. Sorry about that. I said and off.
It's not turning off. What's gonna happen?
And off. Okay, we're having some technical difficulties. Seems like the button's not working. Hey, do you hear a rumbling sound?
Oh no!
Oh my goodness, it's a flash flood! Look out!
Oh no, Mia!
Alright, we were just playing a little joke on you. I wasn't controlling.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Beria, come on.
You're not complimentary.
Not that the subject isn't fascinating. Personally, I
About to start safely. And so the whole world straight